morning. Happy Friday. It's a little cool and chilly this morning. I think it was like 28 when we took kids to school. I've been home working on a few things this morning. Classwork, animal ethics, fun stuff. I'm going to walk down and I need to muck some stalls, and I want to work with Diamond a little bit this morning. Still, Jason's pasture harrowing over at the farm. So I'm cleaning up some barn stalls this morning, and Scooter's got to go back outside for a while. He's Jason's retired rope horse. He's like 20 years old. He just kind of hangs out and does his own thing these days. Aren't you, buddy? Fresh water for everybody. Yeah.
Good morning, fellas. Today I'm out here pasture harrowing, as you can see. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking all the cow pies and just crumbling them up. That way it just doesn't grow grass in one spot. Just kind of moves the manure and a little bit of pasture management. Here we go. What we're doing today.
Working on our patience. A horse takes time. You're never gonna get it all figured out in the first week or month and yada yada yada. So she's just kind of standing nice and quiet, which is what I wanted to work on today. That and getting her brushed back down so we can take her up to the barn. Good. Like I said, when she came, she didn't even really have a name or know her name. So in addition to learning how to be around humans and relying on me to take care of her, she also had to learn a name and that we weren't going to hurt her. This rope, it's because you had it down in the mud. You can't see the sun's in my face. Look how pretty your mane is now. Let's see how much of this needs to go where. Alright, girlfriend. Ooh, that's because it's all tangled up in it. It's alright. The other day we did this for the first time. And, you snuck out of the halter, didn't you? Yeah. But you're licking and chewing today. When she goes up to the barn, I'll probably take this rope halter off of her and I'll put her in something different. Whoa. Oh, good girl. What do you see? Done a lot today, haven't we? You know, fresh out. Yeah. You're a good girl. I thought running the skid loader with one of the kids was really hard. Have you tried it with a friend? I kid you not. Do you all see how he's in here? He has to share the seat. And at one time he hit the controls for the bucket. And we were scraping gravel. Ryder, dude. Are you spoiled? Just a wee bit. So we're waiting on Jason. We were gonna set some gates up where we did that fencing last week for our landlord. Can you tell the people to like the video? You went out? No comment? Are you just here for the ride? Can we take a nap? If you guys like today's videos, thumbs up. You know the drill. I'm not gonna sit here and ask. I'm not very good at asking for help, but thanks for being a part of our farm life every day, and we'll catch up with y'all later. I got it.
So what size is that?
1/2 inch.
Oh. So we can go through.
Now I can go through this side as far as I can go, and then I'll come through the other side as far as I can go.
Okay. Two, the bolt, the hinges themselves. You going hunting tomorrow?
So do you want me to get that bag of mineral, or are you gonna get it?
You can.
Okay.
I gotta get it
don't know if you guys can see, but the cows are coming up. They were in this little 3-acre patch that Jason had them on this morning, and they're all putting themselves back to home. He pasture drug all these with the harrow this morning, so they look real nice. These are the spring ladies and replacement heifers. Where do you want me to go? What? What? I mean, look how good Callie looks now that we brought her over here. What's it say when the babies are the first to the line? Come on, girls! Watch out, ladies! Everybody's feeling a little frisky tonight. Come on! Come on! Ryder, down! You need me to stop? The calves like to play with Ryder. Here. You got your string? Just hold on to it. So we're waiting on Ruby here to calve.